Hey guys, so we haven't made it to the van, and I'm going to tell you why. I had to clean this mess up. I had to put all my tools away that I was using, and let me tell you guys, it was a lot. See under here? I have all those. I had so many screws out. I bought screws too, so I didn't have any leftovers. No worries. And guys, I just got done doing the cleanup, and we are going to be going to the van, which is right there. I have the sound deadening stuff there, and we're going to head there in about 5 minutes. If you'll just give me 5 minutes of your time, I will get us there, all right? And yes, I do support channels, and I also play them while I'm working. So they get views and likes. And do that for me too, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on now. Let's get on this journey together. Subscribe, like, and comment if you like, guys. Share if you want to. But guys, I'll be with you in a second, okay? Hey guys, we are back. And guess what, guys? We got her done. We finally did it. The next phase. We've installed both swivels, the passenger and the driver's side. We've relocated the emergency brake. We did that together because you guys encouraged me and told me we got this, and we did. We got this. But guys, check this out. Check this out. I installed all of the deadening material on the ceiling. Just want to get you a good view on the ceiling and on the wheelbase. I am going to probably return the wheel well covers. They are insulated, guys. They're actually pretty nice. So I'm probably going to put those on top just for added, or as people say, for shit and giggles. But guys, we did it. We installed both swivels. We cleaned the hell out of this van. And we cursed a lot. I probably have about 5 volumes of new cuss words. But guess what? It's okay. I only heard them. I was the only one. I subjected myself to it. And the walls. If the walls could talk, guys. Anyhow, guys, I've been wanting to do this and get this out to you. But I just want to share a couple of thoughts with you. So, anybody can do this. Okay? If I can do it, you can do it. Don't be discouraged. If you need questions, I got answers. Most likely. And I may not. But I think together we can do this. Guys, I'm excited for the next step. And the next step is to place the perimeter, outline it, install the flooring, install the foam board insulation, and then the 3/4, I'm going to go with 3/4 inch plywood, guys. And I'm going to do a 1-piece vinyl. I just think it would hold the heat or the cool better. And if I spill something, I'll just wipe it up. But we can do this, guys. It's very doable. I appreciate you coming here, guys. I appreciate you joining me and watching my videos. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me grow my channel, and I'll be able to do a lot of things with you guys and take you along, and we can share this journey together. We can learn together. We can build together. Like, comment. I love interacting with you guys. And guys, like I said before, and I'll say it again, I hope that you're all happy, healthy, surviving, living your best lives, guys, and being happy. Be kind to one another, guys, because this is a tough time in this world. And I'm minding my own business, okay? And with that being said, guys, thanks for joining me. And I'll see you in the next one.